What is a strong password?
A strong password is one that is difficult for others to guess or crack. It combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. The longer and more complex the password, the harder it is for attackers to break in. Using unique passwords for each account adds an extra layer of protection.
Why do passwords need complexity?
Simple passwords are easy for attackers to guess or use in brute force attacks. Complex passwords, those that use a mix of character types, are exponentially harder to predict. This complexity protects you from automated tools and hackers trying to access your accounts. A strong password helps keep your personal and financial information safe.
How long should my password be?
Longer passwords are always safer. Security experts recommend using at least 12 to 16 characters. The longer the password, the more difficult it is to crack with modern tools. Aim for a passphrase or a string of unrelated words to increase length and security.
What should I avoid in a password?
Avoid using easily guessed information like your name, birth date, or simple words such as password or 123456. Don't reuse passwords across accounts. Dictionary words or common phrases make your accounts vulnerable to attacks called dictionary attacks.
Best practices for creating strong passwords.
Use a password manager to generate and store complex, unique passwords. Change your passwords regularly, especially after security breaches. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra level of security whenever possible. Staying proactive with these habits keeps your accounts safer from threats.